This is a story of a little dragon. The dragon name was Ember. Ember was bluish black in color. Ember was very unusual. He was very short than others. Other dragons were 2 to 6 inches tall, whereas he was just 2 to 4 inches tall. Ember was very curious. He used to explore every nook in the dragon city. There was always a conflict between humans and dragons in those times. When humans used to enter the dragon city, dragons would start attacking them. When dragons enter the human city, humans will try to kill and capture them. So there was a huge conflict for centuries. So one day, there was a huge thunderstorm shaking the whole dragon city. The thunderstorm was so devastating. But Ember was very curious. He started looking at every nook of the dragon city, wondering how well it got damaged. He saw many injured dragons and many who were safe. When he suddenly spotted a young girl hiding in a small nook. She was not visible to anyone because she was so small, whereas for him, easily captured. He quickly ran to the little girl and asked, "Hey you are a human. Why are you here in the dragon city?" The girl said, "My name is Lily. I came from the human land. I got carried away in a huge thunderstorm." Ember said, If I don't mind, can I help you out? Because here dragons will try to attack you." She said, "Yes, please." So, Ember let Lily on his back and went zooming. Then, time came when they had to cross huge mountains, steep valleys, never-ending rivers, endless plains. But due to Ember's short height, they was able to pass every obstacle. The girl was happy and they finally reached the border of the human land. Ember let her down and said, "You carry on. If I come, there'll be a huge tragic moment for me." The girl said, "Come on, Ember, it's okay." But Ember didn't. So the girl quickly ran to her father. They were kissing, hugging, and whatnot. Then she came back to Ember. Ember was not there where he left her, but he was hiding behind a tree, making sure no one spotted him. Lily spotted him and said, "Ember, you can come in. My father is the chief leader of this whole human land." Ember slowly came in and there was a huge feast only for him. The king said, "As you saved my daughter, I think the dragons and the humans should unite. We'll help you to get better instead of seeing you get devastated in this thunderstorm. We'll give you food, shelter, and whatnot." Soon, the dragons and the humans united. What do you learn from this story? I learned to never judge a book by its cover and to be helpful, be kind. And I've learned a most important lesson. We should always be united. Unity is always a strength. Thank you.